Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to construct a binary tree from the post-ordered traversal. Binary trees are the fundamental data structures used in the computer science, and post-ordered traversal is one of the methods for visiting the nodes of the tree. Here, as you can see, the post-ordered traversal is given and we have to make the binary tree from this post-ordered traversal. Now I hope that you already know that the post-ordered traversal means that first we have to visit the left subtree, then the right subtree and then the root. But we cannot make the binary tree only from the post-ordered traversal. Another traversal technique is needed, and which is in-order traversal. In-order traversal is nothing but ascending order traversal of the binary tree. If we arrange the data of this given traversal technique in ascending order, then we can make its in-order traversal. Here I am going to show you. As this data is not in the ascending order, but now for in order we will make this data, we will arrange this data in ascending order. So first we will write 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. As you can see that now the data is arranged in ascending order and it is the in order traversal. So now we can make the binary tree from these two traversal techniques. You know that in the post order traversal the root is the last one is the root. So we know that this one is the root. And here, so this one is the root, we know, we have just visited it, so we will write just 8. Then the next one is 10. As you can see that 10 is on the right hand side of 8. So here we will write 10. Now you can see that this one is also done. Now 11. 11 is on the right side of 8 but also on the right side of 10. So here's 8 and its right side, 10's right side is 11. So here we will write 11. This one is also done. Now we have 9. 9 is also on the right hand side of 8 but on the left hand side of 10. So right side of 8 and left side of 10, this. So here we will write 9. This one is also done. Now we have 6. 6 is on the left side of 8. So we will write 6. This one is also done. Now 7. 7 is on the left side of 8 but on the right side of 6. So we will write 7 here. And 5. 5 is on the left side of 8 and also on the left side of 6. So here we will write 5. So we have completed this binary tree, and we can also check, I already made a video in my channel about how to find the traversal. So I will just here find its in order traversal by just drawing the lines like this. And now starting, first we have 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. As this in-order traversal is same, you can also check post-order traversal or pre-order traversal, the answer will be same. For post-order traversal the answer will be same, and for pre-order traversal the answer will be definitely different because the traversing technique is different. So in this way you can make the binary tree. I hope this video helped you. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much.